Beneath the surface of a distant ocean lies a realm untouched by time. A world teeming with the extraordinary and the otherworldly. Here, towering luminescent plants sway gently, their translucent tendrils catching the faint shimmer of bioluminescent light. They are the silent giants of this aquatic Eden, providing both shelter and sustenance for the intricate web of life that surrounds them. Among the vibrant seascape, delicate flowers bloom like bursts of starlight. Their vivid, pulsating colors seem almost alive, dancing in harmony with the rhythmic currents. These blooms, unlike anything on Earth, serve a mysterious purpose, perhaps attracting the creatures that inhabit this enigmatic world. And then, there are the creatures, mesmerizing, organic forms that glide effortlessly through the waters. Some are adorned with elaborate, fractal-like patterns, their movements as graceful as a wisp of smoke. Others are more angular, armored, and purposeful, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this strange ecosystem. Here, survival is an art form, evolution a masterpiece. This is not chaos, it is balance, a fragile harmony forged in the depths of an alien sea. As we drift through this surreal underwater realm, we are reminded of the vast possibilities that life, in all its diversity, holds. It is a humbling glimpse into a world far beyond our understanding, and yet it speaks to the universal language of nature. Beauty, resilience, and wonder. This is the alien underwater ecosystem, a marvel of life's boundless creativity waiting to be explored.